Hey there, fellow investors. Today, we're excited to share with you 22 years of investing wisdom, straight from the mouths of the experts. So, let's dive right in. When you've been investing for as long as I have, you start to realize that experience is truly the best teacher. You see, I've made my fair share of mistakes, and I've had my fair share of successes. But through it all, I've learned that it's not just about the wins or the losses. It's about the wisdom you gain along the way. One of the biggest challenges new investors face is fear. Fear of loss, fear of the unknown, fear of making a mistake. And let's be real, it's scary to put your hard-earned money on the line. But the truth is, fear is what holds most people back from achieving their financial goals. Another challenge is market volatility. The markets can be unpredictable, and it's easy to get caught up in the emotional roller coaster of it all. One day you're up, the next day you're down. But the key is to stay focused on your long-term goals and not let short-term fluctuations dictate your decisions. New investors often lack knowledge, and that's okay. I mean, we all start somewhere, but the problem is when you don't take the time to educate yourself. You see, investing isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. It takes time, effort, and patience, and if you're not willing to put in the work, you're going to struggle. Lastly, new investors often get caught up in the hype. They see a hot stock or trendy investment, and they jump in without doing their due diligence. And let me tell you, that's a recipe for disaster. You see, investing is a marathon, not a sprint. It's about making informed decisions based on your goals and your risk tolerance. Over the years, I've learned some key lessons that have helped me navigate the ups and downs of the market. One of the most important is the importance of risk management. You see, no matter how good an investment looks, there's always risk involved. And if you're not careful, you can lose everything. Another key lesson is the power of diversification. You see, when you diversify your portfolio, you're spreading out your risk. You're not putting all your eggs in one basket. And that's crucial, because even the best investments can go sour. First up, we have the legendary Warren Buffett, who's been in the game for over 50 years. His advice: invest in businesses you understand and stick to your strategy. Next, we have the incomparable Peter Lynch, who's been in the game for over 30 years. His advice: invest in what you know and buy what you love. And finally, we have the wise words of Jim Cramer, who's been in the game for over 20 years. His advice: invest in what you believe in and stay disciplined. So there you have it, folks. 22 years of investing wisdom, all wrapped up in a neat little package. Remember, investing is all about understanding, passion, and discipline. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to follow and subscribe for more investing insights.